Ang atin pong bansa ay nahirang. Napiling dito idaos ang 51st International Eucharistic Congress. Pagtulong-tulungan po natin upang maging matagumpay ang pagdiriwang na ito. Sa ating munting makakayanan, ipakita po natin ang ating lubos na pananampalataya. Piso po. Para sa misa ng mundo, maliit na halaga para sa napakalaking pagdiriwang.
Eminence, I think because all of us have this small domestic problem. But when it comes to our faith, we are all peace-loving. Isn't it, Your Eminence?
Yes. In spite of the differences of culture and language, and we are all one, especially in Asia, where we have the diversity of cultures and races. And we are one as a church. Unity in diversity.
Yeah, so that words unity in diversity really applies in our Asian country, So napakaganda po ng aming discussion with His Eminence Charles Cardinal Bo, at makikita nyo kahit po marami silang ethnic group dito, pinagkakaisa sila, at ang desire was really to work toward peace. At the same time, yung evangelization can work better kung tayo po ay nagtutulungan, kung tayo po ay nagkakaintindihan. Sana na-realize nyo po itong magandang discussion namin at itutuloy po namin ang aming last part 3 po next week hanggang sa muli dito po sa programa ng Power to Unite with Elvira.